Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to hack betting tips application. That is the VIP access of betting tips. I make this video because I discovered that not many people can able to hack the VIP area of betting tips. I can't really assure you that it will work for all of betting apps for accessing the VIP area, but it will work for many of them by using the trick that I will use in this video. Before I get started, if you are a returning viewer and also this is the first video you are watching from me, wow, kudos to you. I will love you to join the community where we teach people how to stay productive and also profit with their smartphone. I will love it to hit the subscribe button down below, like the video and turn on the notification bell so YouTube will notify you whenever I drop another wonderful video that can generate you money to this channel. Let's get started. Number one thing you need to have is Lucky Poacher. So Lucky Poacher, let's check online. Lucky Poacher is not available on Play Store. Can you see? It's not available on Play Store. So I will drop the link to the video where you can get the app for free. Check the description below. I would like to tell you that if this trick doesn't work for you, that means you have missing something that you need to detect or repeat instead and try fixing the error you made while trying to hack an app. Now on Play Store, just search for Ultra Betting Tips. I just like the name, not that I bet at all. I make this video for educational purposes only. We are not trying to promote anybody to an app. We are just helping you guys getting the best out of what you can offer. Okay guys, can you see the app? Can you see? This is the app. So they have about 4.8 reviews and then we have over 30,107 people at review. So and then we have about 100k plus who have downloaded the app. So let's install it now. Click on install. So let's install it to our device. Installing. We're good to go. Okay, let's open it. Open it. So this is the free area. So let's go to the VIP. Okay, let's check the VIP one after the other. So can you see Elite VIP monthly subscription is 21, 30,000, 39. So can you see? We just once you open it, we just direct you where you can put your bank details. So it's now to hack the app. I'm sure by now, if you have your own Lucky Poacher installed on your smartphone, if not, download and install. And don't ask anybody to send you any hack app for now, because sometimes when you hack an app on your phone, it tends not to work on other device. It's better to hack it yourself. So now let me look for the Lucky Poacher. Okay, this is my Lucky Poacher. I open it and open it. So just try to locate the app you want to hack. So I want to hack Ultra Betting Tips now. Click on it and type on menu of patches, create modify PK, So go to APK rebuild for in-app purchase LSDL animation. So rebuild the app. So it resembles our needed file with no string. So let's wait. Good to go. Okay, classes.yes. Analyze results. It is backend the file. Yes, can you see? So some are successful while some are not. Go to file, uninstall and install. Click it. Okay, yes, click yes. Okay, press OK. Installing it. Okay, install it back. Installation is processing. Okay. This one. Okay. So go back to that ultra definitive now. Okay, this is already good. Okay, go to VIP. Let's check it one after the other. Can you see? This is amazing. Can you see? So I have the access to the VIP now because I've asked the app. Let's check it one after the other. If you're enjoying this video, just give me a like, and then if you have any question concerning this video, drop it in the comment section. I'm ready to answer you there. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video. See you guys in my next video.